Did you have any other personal goals that you wanted to talk about?
Yeah, so I was trying to. You brought up this too. Bring your children into your business, and my
Yeah.
kids are a little bit younger. They're only 12 and 14, so they're just not there yet. I'm
Yeah.
going to keep pushing it as gently as I can to encourage them, and my oldest has started shifting, turning the corner a little bit. It was a
Yeah.
great conversation over winter break about some things that he's doing that are similar to what I'm doing, but for his world, which was idea for me just to get that started. So yeah, I can see my
Yeah.
personal relationship with my son growing as
That's
I
good.
bring that connection with them.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I had two personal ones that I was able to achieve. I'm pretty proud of that. One, I decided at the beginning of 2025 I wanted to do 10,000 push-ups in the year. And so well, I broke it down, and that's 50 push-ups 4 times a week. And yeah, sure enough, December 31st did my last 50 push-ups and
Nice.
got her done. So
Congratulations.
feeling pretty good about that.
Yeah.
And then there's one mountain in Banff that I had attempted to climb years and years ago, 20 years ago, almost 30 years ago. And it got the best of us at that time. Weather moved in. So this summer, my son and I went and scaled that. And that's the hardest hike I have ever done. I've never
Wow.
been so tempted to quit, but I was with my son and I'm
And you
like, what am I
spent
teaching
yeah,
if we quit?
yeah.
So
At the best motivation
we
possible.
powered through. It rained, it hailed, it snowed. Like it was, and this was end of June, and we got all the weather and everything else, but we powered through. We got up to the top. Thank heavens, I'm never doing that one again.
Yeah.
But now my son can say the same thing, and it's very prominent. Anytime you go into Banff, it's Mount Rundle. It's right there. You can't miss
Got it.
it, and so it's fun to go back and be like, I climbed that one.
Nice. Well, 2026 is upon us. For the show, we're going to be gearing to bring on more guests, more pristine guests, as well as beginners. We're going to mix it up a little bit, not just have the
Yeah,
experts on. We want to show that beginners also have a great voice to speak on. So we're going to have some new investors come on the show and share the journey they've gone through, as
yeah.
well as the experience, right? Both no creators, no buyers, and real estate professionals who are in the space to share their stories, how they got to where they're at, no matter what level they're in, because we
Mhm.
all can learn valuable lessons from every one of these people.
Yeah, there's something to learn from everybody. And yeah, like you say, the newbies that come in, they've got a different perspective oftentimes. And with their background and their history and their, the experience that they're bringing,
Absolutely.
oftentimes they'll say, well, why don't you do it this way? Or what about this? And at the very least, it gets us to start thinking about it and be like, why don't I do it that way? And if we don't for a reason, that's
Yep.
fine. But at the very least, it gets you to start thinking about it.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you there. And then the next thing we want to do is bring big people on there that you guys are making offers on. We have a
Yeah.
few outreaches, some wild guests that are a little bit above where we think we're at, and we're hoping we are bringing them in. And I have confidence we will. So that's one of the goals we have is
Yeah.
to reach out to people out there that are more pristine, more higher level, that we can bring them into this world and talk to us, and some authors and some books that we have reached out to, which would be really cool. We
Yeah.
have we have a bunch of shows already booked up. I think we're into March already, which is wonderful.
Yeah.
So we have the great stuff. We're always looking for feedback too. So
If there's people out there that are interested,
yes,
drop us a line. We'd
reach
love to
out.
talk to you and see, let's see if it's a good match and see if it's a good fit and
Absolutely.
we'll figure
Let's
it out.
yeah.